Hello everyone, I'm Ronald Mehta and welcome back to our channel digiate.com. We are your digital aid and we provide free courses on the subjects of business and marketing.
Let's start with positioning, that is nailing the product placement in the mind of your customer. According to Kotler, the company's offer and image should be designed to take a unique and respected position in the target customer's mind. Ideally, positioning is not what you do to the product, it is what you do to the minds of your customer. An example in this case is of a mixer grinder known as Blendtec. In 2007, Blendtec launched the Will It Blend series on YouTube, video series built around Blendtec's flagship high-speed blender. He blended anything from cell phones to wooden rakes because he understood that people are looking at the sharpness of a blade and motor strength in the blender. So the idea to position it as a strong blender, he started from blending marbles, then uploading videos of eccentric scientists blending everything from iPhones to even hockey pucks. The Blendtec YouTube channel had about 292 million views as of September 2022. Moving on to some positioning strategies. Well, positioning could be done based on attributes, benefits, user positioning, competitor positioning, quality, price positioning, leadership positioning, and excellence positioning. Let's look at each one of them briefly, starting with product attributes. Product attributes are the elements that describe a product. They entail the tangible and intangible features of a product, for in case, the Samsung Fold series. Next comes the product benefit. This approach is all about the advantages that end users will see by using your product. In this case, the privacy feature by iPhone. Then comes the product user positioning. A company may position its product service depending on the target audience. Johnson's Baby positioning babies. Next is your competitive positioning. The object may be positioned against the competition or away from it. Burger King targeting McDonald's. Next, quality positioning. The subject of positioning is a firm's quality leadership as done by Apple and its quality. Next, price positioning. The price positioning is a process of communicating to the consumer what value they will receive for their money. Walmart's everyday low pricing. Then comes leadership positioning. Leadership positioning involves informing the consumer that the firm is embraced by a large portion of customers and holds a significant stake in their happiness. Some firms may focus on innovation leadership, as done by Nike, which is the leader in the sports footwear category. Then comes excellence positioning. Excellence positioning is the art of identifying and promoting your company's strength, as done by Marriott over the years. And finally, the element of positioning on cultural symbols. Many deeply entrenched cultural symbols are employed to distinguish businesses from those of their rivals in today's society, as done by single malt brands from Scotland. Next comes the positioning procedure. Well, it entails the following steps. First, identify your competitors. Next, determine how competitors are perceived and evaluated by your customers. Then determine the competitor's position. Then analyze customers' preferences, make your positioning decision, and finally, monitor the position. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on the gamut of positioning. These are the list of sources and links referred to for our content in the video. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos.